Is Danishvi Singh and I study at Bow Valley College. It's my first semester here and I'm enrolled in hospital unit clerk. Today I'm going to talk about an ethical issue. An ethical dilemma is considered as making a choice between two undesirable options. The word ethic represents the morals or values which should be obeyed by the society. It is important for the society to obey the ethical issues because they are like kind of a risk to the society. There are many situations which can be created the conditions of ethical dilemma such as medical issues or situations like fraud and privacy. Today I am going to discuss one such ethical issues. The issue deals with the transplantation of liver from HIV positive mother to a normal child. It actually occurs in the South Africa, as we know that the South Africa faced lots of problems regarding the donors. A child was at the end of his life and needs a liver transplant to remain alive, but due to the shortage of the donor, the doctors were not able to find their donor. At the last, the doctor decided to transplant the liver of the mother to the child, but there was a problem that the mother, due to their transplantation, she has a HIV positive. The doctor find it difficult to make a decision because the liver transplant can transmit infection to child, whereas no transplanting can result into death of a child. So after having discussion with medical ethics committee, the doctor decided to do an operation, and they had just asked from their family also. The treatment was conducted successfully at Donald Gordon Center, and the only reason of worry was to determine whether the child suffered from infection or not. But the things which doctor find challenging is to diagnose about the infection at the time. The doctor faced many challenges during this process, as it was normal case, as there was the risk of for the life of the child. There was many other problems also. They made the matter very clear to the parents of the child about the infection, seeks their contact about the matter. So the doctors just transplanted their liver. The treatments was surely for well-being of child, and it was not considered necessary that the operation must be successful or no. The one thing which was good about the operation was that it gives opportunity to the doctor to to try a different thing, analyze its result. But on the other side, it also involves a risk of transmission of infection and risk of life of child. According to me, the decision making is a good process, but an ethical decision making was any other option available, and doctor operated after consulting with the experts of medicine and also with the parents of the child. It also gave them chance to investigate a new case, and they may come into the new results for future after a successful completion of an operation. As an health administration assistant, this research guides me that it is very important to follow ethical principles and how to make a good decision in conditions like ethical dilemma. It also guides me to think about every step and consult with the professional before coming on a result. To conclude it, I can say that it is a very good thing that we can try new situations, but it can also risk the lives of many people, like I had mentioned in the above that above about the child. The ethical decision can change the life of another person. It did with the life of the child, as I had explained now. Thank you.